Okay guys, so last week I measured a property belongs to three persons. Now those three persons want this property to be divided into three equal parts. Hey guys, I'm Isilhan and you're watching an engineer boy. So how can we divide an irregular shape into three equal parts? As you can see in AutoCAD, I got this property and which is a splitted area, you can say. And first of all, I'm gonna boundary it, okay, by picking this point and inside. So this is now a boundary property. Okay, now we can divide this and we're gonna decide which way should this be divided or which way should the division be done. Okay, and like as you can see, we can do the division like in this form as well. Like I'm gonna show you like this one as well. Okay, and another way can be this way as well, like this one. All right, so it is just the decision which way the division should be done. Okay, and I recommend, as you can see, this property, if we divide this, these are just thin or narrow ways, then okay, so I can recommend this way. This is gonna be the pretty nice way, I think. Okay, so this way the division can be done like this one. Okay, I'm just gonna take a copy like this one. Okay, so these are three division. Okay, I'm gonna delete one line, and for this approach I'm gonna use a Lisp command, okay, by Vietnam, and that is cd, for which I'm gonna just come over here into the manage, and then I'm gonna click load application, for which you can also use a shortcut upload. Okay, you can type upload in the command bar and then press enter from your keyboard. So a load or unload application dialog box will appear. Now you can navigate to your file. Okay, like in this time I have you can say this one cd. Okay, I'm gonna put the link to this application in the description, in the video description. You can download this for yourself. Okay, so I'm gonna just specify this one, and then I'm gonna click this load. Make sure you see cd.vlx successfully loaded. Okay, when that's done, you can just close. There is nothing else. Okay, so once your application got uploaded, then of course you can divide this property, and I'm gonna open calculator over here so I can make sure how much one person should take. The total area is given like this one, and I'm gonna divide this by 3, so everybody should get 3611.6 unit area. Okay, that's good. Now we can type cd in the command bar to load the application or to just activate the application, and it is asking for the polyline of the area, this polyline, this boundary. Okay, it is Chun polyline kin, I don't know, this is Vietnamese language, I think. So I'm gonna click this one, and then they're asking for the position or for the direction, okay, which we got over here. This line, this is the direction in which we want to do the division, so I'm gonna specify this one as well. Now they're asking for the splitting position or for the splitting side. Okay, I mean which side you gonna divide and which side you gonna lift like that. Okay, so I'm gonna specify this side, this one. I'm gonna click here, and they are now asking for the area. How much area do you need to separate from this total property? And that we know that is just 3611.6. okay, so I'm gonna type 3611.6. okay, and I'm gonna press enter from my keyboard. Here we got two options, for which I'm gonna select split over here, which is S. So now the AutoCAD is working on that. As you can see, the line was here and it jumped over here. Okay, and it is still working. Okay, let's just wait for it. It is done. Okay, accomplished. This is XONG. I'm gonna say wait a minute, XONG. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's Vietnamese language, and what is that? Zong. Zong means accomplished. Okay, so the mission is accomplished. Now that's okay. This area is now 3611.6, this one, and now we need another line over here to separate this large area. All right, that's good. I'm gonna take its copy over here. Okay, I'm gonna split one area over here as well, and the same process CD, I'm gonna select this one and this line as well, and I'm gonna click inside this because I need 3611.6 area over here, and it is the same thing, so I'm gonna press enter again and yes, yeah, now it's working. That's pretty amazing Lisp command or application. Okay, you need to download this, and the link to the download location is down below in the video description. Okay, all right, so now I'm gonna trim this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, it's the property has been divided in 3 equal parts. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna check if it's okay or not. Okay, if the division is done correctly or not, for which I'm gonna boundary each property, like you can say this one, this one, and this one, and as you can see, these are now boundary objects. Okay, now I'm gonna use AA space in the command bar for area and O bar in object, and I'm gonna click this property. As you can see, the area is been given over here in the command bar, that is 3611.6. I can copy it and paste it over here as well, like this one. That's pretty good. Okay, the other should be the same. I'm gonna check this. It is the same, yes, so I'm gonna copy it over here and paste it over here. Oops, okay, let me just rotate it if I can do it, like that's good. Okay, I'm gonna check the another one, like AA space O space, and I'm gonna click this one. Yes, it is the same. Wow, that's pretty amazing. That's pretty amazing. Okay, so this is how we can divide an irregular shape into 3 equal parts. You can use it to divide any property into any number of division. Okay, 10 division, 11 division, no problem. It is completely free. Go ahead and download it. See you next time.